As we all know, there are lots of editing programs in the internet to use to make an Instagram video with music. With that, I will introduce one of them, which is the LightMV. LightMV is a video maker that you may use with all devices such as iOS, Android, and desktop. Likewise, you can create an Instagram video in just a simple steps. In order to use this program, simply get the tool on the App Store or Google Play Store, then open it afterwards. Next, scroll down the screen to select a video template that you want to use for your video. Once selected, tap the plus sign icon on the interface to add file that you want to include on your video. Then, press the Change Music button to change the music of your video. Once all set, tap the Produce Now button and wait for the video to be rendered. Lastly, download the video by simply tapping the download icon on the screen. Once downloaded finish, open your Instagram on your phone, then share the video that you made on the LightMV. That's the simple ways on how to make an Instagram video with music using LightMV. For further information, don't hesitate to visit the official website at www.lightmv.com. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching!